Hey everybody, I just wanted to make a quick flexing video. Yes, I'm making a flexing video for two reasons. To shut up the people that keep nagging me to make a flexing video, and to shut up the people who think I don't know what the hell I'm talking about or doing when it comes to fitness and nutrition, because you'll see in a minute that I do. So, without further ado, yeah. Happy now? You happy? Triceps are kind of weak though. You need to work on those a little bit. Yeah. Alright, that's it. Shut up for a while. Quit nagging me for flexing videos.